Hello everyone! If you're on the hunt for the best 3D printers for this year, you've come to the right place. We've carefully researched and compiled the ultimate list of the best 3D printer options, taking into account pricing, performance, and various use cases. Stay tuned to find the perfect 3D printer that matches your needs. Don't forget to check out the description box below for product links featuring the best deals available. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's dive right in and get started. The first one on our list is the Creality K2 Plus Combo. The K2 Plus Combo is the latest and most advanced addition to their lineup, designed to redefine performance and versatility. What makes it special is its ability to print in up to 16 colors at once, which means you don't have to spend time painting or finishing your designs later. The K2 Plus Combo has a smart filament system called the Intelligent CFS. It can handle up to 4 different filaments at the same time and even detect if the filament runs out, gets tangled, or is exposed to moisture. This helps you avoid any interruptions while printing. It also has a large printing space of 350 by 350 by 350 millimeters, so you can work on big projects easily. What I love about this printer is how fast and smooth it is. The motors are very advanced, so it can print at super fast speeds of 600 millimeters per second while still maintaining perfect quality. Plus, the heated chamber allows you to use strong materials like engineering filaments, which is great for making professional designs. It also has dual AI cameras that keep an eye on the printing process. These cameras can detect problems, like if the print shifts or fails, and they even adjust the flow for better results. The sturdy frame makes everything stable, so the prints come out precise every time. And yes, setting it up is super easy. Most of it comes pre-assembled, and the Creality OS software makes it easy to manage filaments, slice models, and tweak settings while you print. Honestly, it's a bit pricey because of all these advanced features, but the speed, quality, and ease of use make it worth buying. Next up, we have the FlashForge Adventurer 5M. This printer is great if you want something fast, precise, and easy to use. The best part is its fully automatic bed leveling. You don't need to mess with any manual adjustments. It makes sure the printing surface is perfectly level every time. This means your first layers come out smooth and accurate, which saves time and avoids frustration. The Adventurer 5M prints super fast, with speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. This makes it great for projects that need to be done quickly, like prototypes or larger models. Even at high speeds, it keeps the prints precise and clean. Plus, it has a direct extruder that heats up to 280 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds. You can swap out the nozzle in 3 seconds, which is super handy if you're switching between materials. It works with a variety of filaments like PLA, ABS, and TPU. There's also a dual-fan cooling system and vibration control to make sure your prints look neat and detailed. What I really like about this printer is its FlashMaker app. You can monitor your prints in real time, adjust settings, and even get alerts, all from your phone. Plus, you'll find it super easy to remove prints with the dual-sided print platform. It's designed to make the process smooth and hassle-free. But I think it might not be as good with high-heat materials like ABS, but for the price, it's still an amazing printer. It's fast, reliable, and makes 3D printing much simpler and more fun. On number 3, we have the Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo. This is great for anyone who wants fast, colorful 3D prints without much hassle. This printer is very fast. It can print at speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, which means you can finish your designs quickly. Its Core XY build makes sure everything moves smoothly, so your prints come out neat and precise. The print size is pretty generous too, 250 by 250 by 250 millimeters, so you can make medium to large projects easily. One of its coolest features is the 8-color printing engine. With 2 units working together and a special feeder system, it can print in multiple colors at once. This adds more detail and creativity to your projects compared to a regular single-color printer. It also dries the filament while it prints. You don't need a separate dryer, and it keeps the material in perfect condition during the process. Swapping out the hot end is really easy too. No tools needed. You can even switch to different hot end sizes for more detail or faster prints, depending on what you need. Plus, the all-metal hot end heats up to 320 degrees Celsius, stays clog-free, and is easy to clean. It also has smart features like filament detection and the ability to resume printing if the power goes out. And the printer runs quietly, at about 44 decibels, so it won't disturb your workspace. The only downside is that the extra hot end sizes are sold separately, which can add to the cost. But overall, it's a great option if you're serious about 3D printing and looking for high-quality results. Next, we have the Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra, which is a resin 3D printer. It's designed to make 3D printing easier and quicker for both beginners and more experienced users. One of its coolest features is the 10-inch 12K monochrome LCD. This gives you amazing print quality with a resolution of 11,520 by 5,120, meaning you'll get really sharp and clear details in your prints. The XY resolution is also really fine at 19 by 24 micrometers. This is great for making sure every little detail of your design comes out exactly how you want it. The printer also prints fast, up to 150 millimeters per hour, with the help of tilt-release technology. This feature helps the printed model peel off quickly, speeding up the whole printing process. Another great feature is the one-touch automatic leveling. With this, you don't have to worry about manually adjusting the print bed every time you use the printer. It does it for you automatically, making the process so much easier. The printer also has a built-in mechanical sensor that detects when something's wrong, like a resin shortage, or if there's something in the way, which helps protect the screen from damage. The AI camera is a helpful addition. It lets you monitor your prints in real time and will alert you if anything goes wrong. You can also use it to capture time-lapse videos of your prints as they're being created. However, I think the lack of a handle on the lid might be a slight inconvenience, but the pros of fast printing speed, smart features, and high-quality prints definitely outweigh this small issue. On number 5, we have the Bamboo Lab A1 Mini. This printer is great for anyone who wants to print quickly, with high accuracy, and without a lot of hassle. It can accelerate up to 10,000 millimeters per second squared, meaning it prints very quickly while still keeping details sharp. You get high-quality prints even with its speed, which is a big plus for people who need both speed and accuracy in their prints. One of the best things about this printer is how it calibrates automatically. You won't have to mess with manual adjustments. It handles things like bed leveling and Z offset on its own, making sure your prints come out right every time. It also has active flow rate compensation, which makes sure the printer is always extruding the right amount of material, keeping your prints smooth and consistent. And if you want to add more colors to your prints, the A1 Mini can do that too. You just need to get the AMS light system, which is sold separately or as part of a combo. This lets you create multicolored prints with ease, adding more creativity to your designs. Setting it up is really simple. It only takes about 20 minutes to get started. Plus, the one-clip nozzle makes it easy to swap out and clean. It's also super quiet, with noise levels under 48 decibels, so you can print without the loud noise bothering you. Though it does have a smaller print bed, which could be a downside for bigger projects, but the fast setup, automatic calibration, and quiet operation make it a solid option for most users. Last but not least, we have the Prusa MK4S. This 3D printer is a great choice for anyone who needs fast, reliable, and high-quality prints. Its unique feature is the 360-degree cooling system, which helps you print complex designs, like overhangs, without needing support. This saves time, materials, and effort while keeping everything precise. The MK4S is very accurate. It prints exactly how you design it, so your models turn out perfect every time. The high-flow nozzle spreads the material smoothly, and the cooling system helps make each layer strong and well-bonded. You can print detailed small models or larger objects, and both look amazing with a smooth surface. It works with many materials, including PLA, PETG, ASA, and flexible TPU. The direct drive extruder makes it easy to print flexible materials like TPU, which is usually tricky. You'll find that setting up the MK4S is super easy. You just take it out of the box, plug it in, and follow a quick calibration process. In about 15 minutes, you're ready to start printing your designs without any hassle. The MK4S is also very fast. Its firmware and cooling system work together to reduce print times without losing quality. You can even control it from anywhere using Wi-Fi or a USB drive, so managing your prints is easy and convenient. The only downside is the price. It's not the cheapest option. But if you care about reliability, speed, and advanced features, it's worth every penny. It feels like a printer you can truly depend on for any project. You got it. So that's it for the best 3D printers in the market for this year. Like, comment,